Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we give you a couple of tips and tricks about productivity. We're always about focusing on how to make money, social media. You need to pause because we have 183 days until the end of the year, if I'm right. So think about that. Where you have been have you been proactive? Have you been motivated to do the things you want, or you just doing things you don't want? Because sometimes we're always focusing about how to do money, how to increase our followers, all these social media. So avoid negative social media, avoid people that follow people that not inspire you, they're not adding value, because you need also to focus on yourself. You need to focus on, for example, maybe reading a book. So make sure you're not following social media that they will reduce your productivity and make you think negative, have all of those negative feelings around, wealth and money. So you really need to think about that, because that will help you increase your productivity. The other thing is that, again, as I mentioned before, do not compare yourself to others. Don't compare yourself with somebody who has been years in business and is more successful than you, or knows more about you. Knows more from you in relation to what you're doing. So don't compare yourself with somebody who has 1 million followers on Instagram, for instance, and have been in Instagram since Instagram was, in town. So you need to make sure you are not comparing yourself with others. You need to make sure that you are, focusing on more positive things. Because as I say, until the end of the year, think about that. Have you achieved the things you want? Have you increased your productivity? Because if you think, oh, my productivity level is not really the best, I'm losing my motivation, I'm stuck. So you stuck because you are focusing on the things that you shouldn't. So don't compare yourself to others. Make sure you're reading a book about how to do things that matter to you. You need to make sure that you are prioritizing. If, for example, you're running a business and you're on Twitter, make sure you focus on content on Twitter for like a week, or do things that it will help you, make you happy. If you are like, like dragging yourself to do that, make it taking a break. Maybe you're too much in your head. You see, you're too much in your head because you are actually doing things wrong. So you really need to make sure that you are focusing more on yourself and be more proactive. Make sure you don't, for example, during the day you might take text message from friends, or make sure you keep your phone away if you're focusing, or more of being proactive and sort things out. And if you see some message that is negative, ignore it, don't answer straight away. Don't get to that emotional loop, like you become overwhelmed, you have anxiety, or your friend or your boyfriend or your ex-boss, wherever, texting you and telling you all those nonsense that you might get. Oh my god, now I'm pissed off. So make sure you deal with it out of business hours, or deal with it later on. Don't stress. And the other thing is, a lot of people, when they wake up in the morning, they go straight on the phones. Don't. Make sure you wake up in the morning, whatever you do, your coffee, your fruits, or whatever you get breakfast, put some affirmation, put out some relaxing music. Make sure you start your day with positive feelings, with focusing on success rather than on negativity. It's very important, because of our mind and our subconscious mind. Give all the positive information into your subconscious mind, rather than go straight to emails and negativity and this and that, and you need to sort out this, and all those things that we get every day, like mess from our bosses, from for ex-wives, the fairies, the tooth fairies, whatever you call it. Make sure you are focusing on starting the day positively, don't, for instance, messed up with your personal life, with your business life, because as I say, you have 180 something days, and make sure you make those days more proactive rather than get lost, because it's important for you to have some time for yourself. Maybe you read books, as I say, prioritize things, what is important, take some time, go out for a walk. Maybe you need holidays, take some extra holidays. Focus on what is making you happy. Do things that makes you happy. If watching a movie makes you happy, do it. If meditating makes you happy, do it. It's very important. Also, affirmation and meditation helps our productivity. It's really help our productivity. I'm doing it. You should be doing it. It's relaxing you. It's help you with overthinking. So that's another thing. Stop overthinking. So I don't say, oh, I need to reach a million views on Pinterest. I need to reach 3 million there. So take your time. Think which part of your life you were more productive and which part you weren't productive. And change it for the next 180 something days, because a year is gone. And life is easy, it's beautiful, we need to enjoy it. So focus on this, because a lot of people are asking me, I lost my motivation, I cannot do this anymore. I don't want to, for example, work for this company. I don't want to. There are things that you need to think and make yourself more productive. And also don't forget that there is a lot of holidays coming in. So everybody's going out there, celebrating, say, oh, I need to do the scheduling for that. I need to do that. Be more proactive. Be more motivated. Motivate yourself. Get focused. And everything else, they're going to be okay. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day, guys.